Hi guys, welcome back to Cendawan Petak. Okay, hari ni kita akan main teka singkatan perkataan. So, let's go. Yang pertama, short form.
RN, right now.
Lama. Aduh. Bring back.
Tak salah belakang. Hello.
BLB. Bring back.
Okay, betul.
Ha. I don't know.
Okay, betul.
Tim buat hal.
Salah.
I don't know. To be honest.
Betul. Pada pendapat saya.
Lupa.
Okay, cantik.
Imo cali.
Depan kamera Okay.
In my opinion.
Betul.
Something.
Salah pula.
So my opinion.
So many happen.
Cantik.
So many head.
Banyak juga.
Shaking my head.
Okay, betul.
Not gonna lie.
Okay, betul. Next.
Forever right now.
Nah.
Shit. For real.
Okay, betul. Tenang.
By the way,
Okay, betul. Yeay.
Too much instinct. Too much. Itu.
Too much betul.
Too much betul.
Too much idea. Dah macam idea ni.
Much in.
In love.
I don't know man.
Apa dia? Too much information.
Tak tahu bro.
Okay. Okay, ketawa. Terus lagi pipi.
la of la.
League of Legends.
Ini anak buah saya.
Laugh out loud.
Okay, betul.
Oh, okay. Outfit of the day. No safe for work. Betul lah? Direct message. Private message. I don't think that.
Oh, ada satu iti.
Voice challenge. Ini voice kena challenge. Masuk sini, sila. Bagi wang. I don't care.
Okay guys, sampai sini je episod kita untuk kali ni. Jangan lupa like, follow and subscribe. Bye-bye.